Keydiy KD-MATE full Toyota and Lexus 4A8A 4D vehicle list explained. Hey everyone, this is Hussein, and I welcome you back to Baabji Motors, the place where tools, tech, and pure automotive brainpower come together under one digital roof. Today we are diving deep into something that every technician, programmer, and key specialist absolutely wants to master. In fact, about 1/4 of today's topic slips right into our intro already because we're talking about how the Keydiy KD-MATE handles Toyota and Lexus 4A, 8A, and 4D smart key systems. Before we roll into the details, here is a quick but important copyright reminder. This entire video is created only for learning and informational purposes. Everything shown or discussed is meant to educate technicians, learners, and enthusiasts in the safest and most responsible way. All brand names, trademarks, and references belong to their respective owners, and you must always follow your local laws and official manufacturer guidelines when working on any vehicle or security system. Now here's something to think about. Among all the Toyota and Lexus smart key platforms, which category do you believe gives technicians the most headaches? 4A, 8A, or 4D? Stick with me till the very end, because the answer might surprise you, and you will pick up a lot of unique information along the way. Let's begin. Let us break down the complete Keydiy KD-MATE Toyota and Lexus supported vehicle list in the clearest possible way. And here is something very important right from the start. If you're dealing with an all-keys loss situation, you will also need to work with the KD Max or the KD X4 tool, because KD-MATE handles the programming, but the backup devices help you recover what is missing. For a hit tag, AES. The 4A category includes many of Toyota's latest generation smart key models. All these vehicles use on-board diagnostics programming for both adding keys and handling all keys loss scenarios. Instead of reading the table, here is the entire information in natural form. For the Model Levin from the year 2019 onward, the vehicle runs on board number 2000, and both add key and all keys lost can be handled through OBD. The same applies to the Corolla and Allion from the same year, each also using board number 2000. Yaris from year 2020 uses board number 0111, and again both functions work through OBD. The 2023 Frontlander supports board numbers 2561, 1320, and 2550. Corolla from 2023 uses board numbers 2561 and 1320. Corolla Cross from 2022 uses board 2561 for the China version and 4800 for the Japan version. Levin Hybrid from 2023 uses board 1320. Our AV4 from 2022 uses board 2561. Camry from June 2024 forward uses board 0110. Avalon 2024 uses board 0110 as well. Highlander 2024, Crown Kluger 2024, Sienna 2024, and Grambia 2024 all use board 2561, while Avalon 2024 also has a version using board 1320. The BZ4X 2024 model runs on board 1320. All these models support OBD programming for both add key and all keys lost. You can also add the 4A smart key using a password, which is extremely useful in tougher cases. 8A DST P4, A9, or AA. Now we move to the 8A series, which uses DST encryption. Many popular Toyota models fall under this category. All of them support OBD operations for both adding keys and recovering all lost keys. For example, the IZOA model from 2018 onward uses board 0351 with P4 value A9. The 2021 version uses board 3450, also with A9. The CHR from 2018 onward uses board 0351 and P4A9. Prius from 2016 to 2019 uses the same board. Century 2018 onward runs the same platform. Camry 2018 uses board 0410 with A9. Land Cruiser uses board 0010 with A9. Alfred and Velfire 2015 onward use board 0120 with A9. Previa 2016 uses 0120. RAV4 2019 uses 0351 with A9, while the 2020 version uses board 0410 with P4AA. Avalon 2019 also uses 0410 with AA. Wildlander 2023 uses board 3450 with AA. Highlander 2022 uses board 0410 with A9, while its 2021 version may use board 0350 or 3450 with AA. Crown Kluger 2022 uses 0410 with A9, and Wildlander 2020 uses 0410 with AA. Noah and Sienna 2015 onward use board 2150 with P4A9. Now, let us go through Lexus models in the same format. Lexus LC 2018 onward uses board 0440 with P4AA. LS 2017 onward also uses AA. The UX from 2019 uses board 3410 or 0440 with AA. LES from 2018 uses AA as well. The 2020 version uses board 3410. The Lexus NX 2021 uses board 3950 with P4A9, while the 2016 version used board 0010 or F43 code with A9. Lexus LX 2016 to 2019 uses the same combination. Our X and our XL from 2016 onward also use the earlier boards with A9, while the 2021 version uses board 3950. Lexus LM 2020 uses 0120 or 0010 with A9, and LS 2021 uses 3950. P4 BA models include the Harrier, Venza, our AV4E+, Sienna, Granvia, Tundra, and Venza 2021 onward, all running on board 3041 with P4BA. BZ4X 2022 uses board 3041. Velfire and Alfred 2023 use board 3041 or 0070. Land Cruiser 2022 uses board 3041, and the 2023 version uses board 0250. Wildlander 2024 also uses board 3041. For Lexus models under P4BEA, the NX 2022 uses board 6100. Lexus LX 2022 uses board 0010, and the 2023 version again uses board 6100. The RX 2023 uses board 6100. Lexus LM 2024 uses board 0080. GX 2024 and RZ 2024 also use board 6100. Lexus ES 2024 uses board 6100 with the B8B8 code. RX 2024 uses board 0010 with B9B9. P4, 88 or A8. These include several older Toyota and Lexus systems. Instead of showing rows, here is the full breakdown. Our AV4 models from 2014 to 2015 use board 0020 with P488. The 2013 to 2017 version uses board 0011 with 88. Camry from 2012 and a half to 2017 uses board 0020 with 88. Corolla and Levin up to 2018 use board 0020 with 88. Highlander 2013 to 2021 uses board 2110 with P4A8, while earlier versions use board 0020. Crown from 2015 to 2019 uses board 2110 with A8. Crown models from 2012 to 2014 use silver smart card keys, which only support OBD for adding keys, but not all keys lost. Harrier 2014 to 2017 uses board 2110 with A8. Land Cruiser up to 2018 uses board 0020 with A8, while 2018 models use board 3330 or F43 port with A8, and 2019 use board 0010 or F43 port. The 2019 version supports Add Key, but not all keys lost. Prado 2018 onward uses board 3330 with A8. Yaris from 2013 onward uses board 0011 with P488. Lexus models in this category include ES from 2012 to 2018 using board 0020 or F43 port with A8. LX 2016 to 2019 uses board 2020. RC 2014 onward uses board 2020. GS 2012 to 2020 uses board 0020 with P488. And X 2015 onward uses board 2110 with A8. IS from 2013 onward uses board 0020, and the 2018 version uses board 2020 with A8. For certain 2018 8A88 models, technicians need to remove and read the 93C86 or 93C66 chip. This data must be uploaded to the KD server for calculation. You can upload 93CXX data to the KD app, and the file name KD-MATE must be placed inside the Android data directory of KD-MATE. P439. These include Yaris L from 2015 to 2022 using board 0010 or 0011 with P439. Vios 2016 onward uses board 0010. Vios FS from 2017 onward uses the same board. Fortuner 2016 onward uses board 0182. Hilux 2015 to 2020 uses board 0182 or 0030. Innova 2016 uses board 0182. All support OBD programming. For DD-ST40. This system includes P1 values 9.4, D4, 9F, and 3.4. Prado 2008 uses board 0140. Mark X 2008 uses 0111. RAV4 2008 to 2011 uses 0111. Grambia uses board 0500 or 6221 for the Hong Kong market and board 0780 or 6230 for global or Hong Kong regions from 2008 to 2014. Wish 2018 uses board 5380. Corolla 2008 uses 0111. Highlander 2008 to 2013 uses board 0140. Camry 2008 uses 0140. Land Cruiser 2011 uses 0140. Alfred from 2006 to 2012 uses board 0780 or 6230 for global and Hong Kong markets. Later versions from 2012.5 onward use board 5380 or 0780. Velfire from 2009 to 2014 uses board 0780 or 6230. Noah and Voxy from 2007 to 2014 use board 6230 for Hong Kong. Avalon from 2006 to 2012 uses board 0111 or 4610 in global markets. Several other Toyota models including are AV4, Mark X, Yaris, Crown, Prius, Majesta, Rise, and others fall under this category with their respective boards supporting OBD for both key functions. Lexus LX 2007 uses board 0310 for Southeast Asia, and Lexus IS 2007 uses board 0140. For DD-ST80. This includes P1 codes 98, FF, and F1. Prado models up to 2010 use board 3370, and later versions use boards 5290, A433, 7930, or F433, depending on the year. Crown Mark X are AV4, Land Cruiser, Highlander, Camry, the Toyota 86 sports model, Prius, Verso, Zellas, Wish, Sienna, Venza, for Runner, and others all fall under this category using various boards. Lexus models including LS, ES, IS, our X, GS, GX, CT, and LX also belong here. All these systems support OBD programming with both add key and all keys lost, except where specifically noted. And by the way, with so many model names, bore numbers, and P4 values, I feel like Toyota engineers were playing bingo instead of designing vehicles. But hey, as long as everything programs fine, we are happy. So coming back to the question from the intro, which category gives technicians the most trouble? The answer is the 8A series, especially the ones that require reading the 93C86 or 93C66 chips. These models often need data upload and deeper decoding, so they naturally become the trickiest. My personal view is simple. Once you understand the logic behind each system and keep your tools updated, the entire Toyota and Lexus Smart Key lineup becomes surprisingly manageable. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Which category do you handle the most in your workshop? Here is a quick fun fact before we end. The early Toyota Smart Key systems were originally designed to avoid electromagnetic interference from airport security gates. Today, they are strong enough to support multiple encryption layers without breaking a sweat. If you found this detailed breakdown useful, help Baabji Motors reach our goal of 10,000 likes and 1,000 comments. Share your questions, hype this video, and support the channel by subscribing so we can keep delivering expert content. Thanks for watching, keep learning, and keep diagnosing with confidence.